Welcome. This is our TNT segment. That's Trending News Tarot, where I answer questions that you've submitted that are trending. And now for the disclaimer. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. It doesn't mean to hurt any and offend any, and don't take it seriously. This is meant to offer an opportunity to talk about these heavy topics with levity. So I ask that we all approach these with lightness and respect. Thank you so much. So let's take a look at our question. Stock market, bull run or fake rally? The question is related to the stock market. And they posed it as, is this a bull run or a fake rally? So apparently this person is interested in what's happening with the markets. So let's take a look. We're going to kind of throw three cards. Let's see, that one that fell. And the one that fell, I'm going to move that over here. And we're going to put one here. Is it a bull run? Is it a fake rally? And ultimately, where is it going? Okay, so let's take a look. We'll keep the pile here in case we need to throw more. So where has it been? Where's the stock market been? And a lot of the news right now, it's debatable. They're not sure if this is going to be a crash. So where has this market been coming from? So let's take a look. Okay. So by looking at the Four of Swords here, when we see it this way in its right position, it talks about foundations, the number 4. When we think about a table, it's got 4 legs. It gives it stability. And what we're seeing here is this person's like literally imploding on these 3 knives that are coming up here. So where is it? Where has it been coming from? It looks like it's been trying to force a situation and in other words, a manipulation of the mind and the faith of people, because when we see this here, the faith is on the ground, and so a lot of things are kind of not laid out in a very positive way. And we see this here with this one remaining as the top one, but it is in the reverse. So it's like someone is manipulating. There's a major manipulator of the market that has been causing it to go where it's been. So it's interesting. And according to Forbes, a bull market is an extended period of time when stock prices rise and investors are optimistic, and this could last between several months or even years. So is this a bull run? So we're asking a yes or no question. We'll see how the card is going to show. Interesting. It's showing that it is a bull run, but what we're also seeing, and interesting, we're seeing the spades that was showed up over here, the cause, what's been causing this. And the number 10 is also showing up as something that this run is coming to it's running its course. And we could see that it's like they can't milk it anymore. So stocks, perform in a way that will continue to provide investments in their bonds and things like that. But that run is about to reach an end. Like when we look at the number 1 through 10, 10 is the end. So that's getting close to its end. Now, the other question was, or what we see here, is that a fake rally? So interesting what this is going to reveal for us. So in that, yes, it's a fake rally. It's a fake rally. We're seeing here the tower, it's bursting. We're expecting to see also a crash. So something here is showing that they've been trying to hold it up. They've been holding it up for some time. And it's coming from someone that's able to manipulate the game. So interesting. I know that there are market manipulators. I've heard of that. And so we have that here. And we could see what showed up here with the bull run. It's not going to last much because guess what? That's one thing, that there is an anomaly, something that you can't control. It's what the people are eventually going to do and how many are going to be able to do that. And it's interesting that this here is revealing that something is going to happen. That fake rally that is showing up as a yes, but it's going to create something. It's going to create an unexpected turn of events for the market manipulators that we see here. So that's really interesting how that's going to play out. So what will be the total outcome of this, bull run or fake rally? The Hierophant is showing up for change. So this is interesting, whether it's manipulated or planned. This is something that will usher in change. That's what the number 5 stands. When you see 5 anywhere and it's repeating, it's change, and it's change for a higher order. Really interesting, my friends. All this manipulation, and you could see the responses both from the bull run and also the fake rally. If you check out CNBC, their headline news said most investors believe we are in a new bull market and there will be no recession in 2023. It's interesting that CNBC conducted a survey and 61% of the respondents believe that the market has entered a new bull run, while 39% think this is a bear market rally. Where is it going to go? Where is it going to take them? That will be interesting. And the article continued to add that the investors believe that the economy will avoid a severe turndown, despite the Federal Reserve's aggressive rate increase. I am not a financial advisor, but I did read in Reuters, one of the analysts there, Ned Davis Research, was saying that this thing would have to be very cyclical. So it looks like there are patterns in the stock market, and they're not showing for a bull market across the board. It's just showing for some sectors. So that might be something that if you are into trends and if you're into these analytical reports, take a look at those analyses, take a look at the month spreads, and you might be seeing here that, it might be the end of a perceived bull run that was manipulated for some unknown reason. And it also may be a fake rally that is just going to really cause some major upheavals because that change is coming. And here it is. So definitely seek an advisor, the help of an advisor, to get some more good information on this, because where it came from someone somewhere wanting to see instability. There you have it on that question. Hope you've enjoyed this segment of TNT, Trending News Tarot. Hit that like button, subscribe, and go ahead, post your questions, and we'll bring it up the next time. Be blessed.